Okay, hello there folks. Today I think we're gonna try to paint two different ways to paint a tree here. Let's see. Let's do this here real quick. There you go. Before we move on, let's see. Okay, let's do this. Okay folks, today we're gonna try to paint a couple of different ways to paint a tree. Let's see if we can give ourselves 10 minutes. What do you think, guys? 10 minutes of two different ways of painting a tree. Okay, here we go. I'm holding a 2 camera here. Let's give ourselves a time limit about 10 minutes. What do you guys think? 10 minutes. Ooh, as we have the timer set up right here. And the blue already got it set up here. Let's see. Let's see how easy this is for us. Yeah. Up and down. That's what we're going to do. Up and down, folks. There you go. There you go. Nice and easy. I already put a masking tape there. So it's kind of... There you go. That's what we're going to do right here. Yeah. Let's see what interesting patterns they can come out of this. That's kind of cool. Yeah. I like that. There you go. Yeah, interesting patterns. And we got the red here. Oops, can't get rid of it. Get the camera out of the way. There you go. There you go. So here we are. Let's do the red like this. Easy. Easy does it. There you go. Yep. Here you go. 2 different ways to paint a tree is I'm trying to accomplish here. There you go. Well, let's see. I think I want to do a little bit more of this white color, splatter like this and splatter like that for us. Here you go. And here we are. Yeah, there you go. Nice clean swipe like this. Yeah, nice and easy, right? Nothing to it really. There you go. Diagonal. There you go. I like that diagonal look. What do you guys think? There you go. Yeah, looks good. Good combination of white, black, and blue on this side, as well as red on the other side. Okay, there you go. Okay, so what else can we do? All right, here we go. So we got the 7. Ooh, already have a lot of minutes here. And then we are going to, what we're going to do is, let's see, let's take the time to clean this a little bit. That's a good practice always. And then we're going to take black. Black this time, okay? So make a little bit of a, there you go, like this. Black right here. Okay. All right. You see that? And then this tree is a little bit more circular tree right here. Circular. Nothing to it. Really abstract type of tree right here. Very circular. Right? Okay. And this one is let's see, more of a square. What do you think? More of a square looking thing right here like that. Square looking tree right here like this. Yeah, there you go. That's all we're doing right here. See? Square. Okay. Yeah. And then this one, we're going to use a, let me see. This one, I'm going to use a palette knife. There you go. A little palette knife action right here like this. Like that. Palette knife. There you go. Action. There you go. Palette knife action to come up with this tree right here. And on this one, let's use a little different tool. A simple tool, let me see. Let's see. Little simple, called a toothpick right here. Toothpick. You see that? Little toothpick action right here for us. Right here, like this. Okay, so little toothpick action right here. Yeah, little toothpick like this. Yeah, there we go. That's all there's to it. A little toothpick. Yeah. Oh, maybe a pen. Okay, there you go. All right. And then we're gonna have a little bit of gold here. A little bit of gold. This right here. Okay, a little bit of gold. Right here on this. Little gold action right. Oops, there you go. A little bit of gold right here like this. That's a little golden tree right here on the right side, like this, a little golden tree. And on this side, it's gonna be more of a, a circular, oops, sorry about that. Little circular action right here, circular tree. There you go, a little circular right here. Easy does it, nothing to it really. There you go. Here you go, a little circular. Square versus little circular is the main difference between these two trees. There you go. Okay. Perfect. All right. And then, let's see. This. Let us get this tape away. There you go. Perfect. Oh yeah. So this is a masking tape that you can find in Home Depots and or Lowe's. You gotta be careful not to get messy here. There you go. So boop. Get rid of this. I'm gonna put it on the side, right here like this. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. So less than, what do you think? About 10 minutes took us. We were able to create some interesting home decor piece for us. And here you go. Yeah, that's the look I'm going for. Here you go. And very simple. Hope you guys like this piece as much as I enjoy painting them. And I hope to see you guys again for another great session of creation. Okay? Thank you.